in Pretoria. Good evening, Sanele.
Sanibona njani?
Sikhona kunjani Sanele?
Sikhona kombe Zizi.
My chief.
Yebo baba. Ngifuna ukudlulisa nje ukuthi singabalandeli bakhongolose sikhathazeke kakhulu ngezinto ezenzekayo kukhongolose. Siyacela nje bafowethu ukuthi ke sifunde manje ukuthi sihloniphe abantu bakithi, sithathe inhlangano lena siyibuyisele kubantu kube abantu abaphatha lenhlangano.
Sanele, Zizi listens to umhlobo wenene.
Okay, just for Zizi. When our people are talking, let us learn to listen to them. Our people have been trying to communicate with the ANC, but unfortunately, we're not listening. We love the ANC. We want to see the ANC moving forward. We want to see the ANC leading us. But then the ANC must love us back. It must show us that it is the movement of the people. Let us listen to our people.
Thank you, Sanele.
Our people.
Sanele. Look, Sanele raises quite important issues. We're quite also not happy, not just members of the ANC as in membership, but also as a leadership. The fact that we're making the introspection and the kind of statements we make, we're unhappy that under our leadership, there's been this going south in terms of decline of the electoral support of the ANC. And I think there's a lot of perceptions about the leadership of the ANC being arrogant and so on. These are the issues that, frankly, we must admit and attend to. But I do take the point raised by Sanele. But the issue that I think Sanele quite correctly raises is that South Africans have got generally confidence in the ANC. Even those who've got other parties who form their own parties, their confidence about the future of this country rest upon, among others, the policies of the African National Congress and their success. Not to protect one another, for the sake of the organization, to make sure that the ANC emerges very strong. If you listen to many ANC members like Sanel and so on, as they complain, they provide suggestions. But there are certain things that we need to do. If we were to do the things that Sanele and many others are saying we must do, the ANC will emerge like it has done before, more than 60% to come 2019.
Zizi.